So for a simultaneous equations question, you will always be asked to solve it algebraically. It wants you to show a full method. Now, the first thing I need to look out for is my x's and y's and the numerical values that are in front of them. I'm looking to see if any are the same. And at the moment, they're not the same. So what I need to do is multiply one of these equations in order to make either the x or the y's the same. Easiest way to do it is to multiply the second equation by 2. That will give me a 2y and therefore having the same value in front of y. So the first equation stays the same. The second equation, I multiply every single term by 2, which gives me 8x add 2y equals 44. Okay, I've now got my first equation and my third equation that have the same numerical value in front of y. So I'm going to rewrite my first equation beneath. Now the next rule is, I've got the same numerical value, so I'm focusing on the signs. I have the same signs there. If it's the same signs, you need to subtract. So I do 8x take away 3x, which is 5x. 2y take away 2y, which gives me nothing. And then 44 take away 19, which gives me 25. Then I need to solve that. So 5 times something is 25, which tells me my value of x must be 5. Now that's got you the first value, but I still need to work out what my value of y is going to be. Now I can use any of those 3 equations. The one that looks the easiest to me is the second one, so I'm going to use that. So I rewrite my second equation, and I'm substituting in a value of x equals 5. Now 4x means 4 times x. So 4 times 5 gives me 20. I plus y, and that equals 22. So 20 add something equals 22. Well, my something must be 2. Once you find your value for x and your value for y, you are done.